Hey guys, I'm Rashmi and welcome back to my channel. So, what's up? By the way, did you check my last video? If not, then go and do check it out. I'm sure you will love it. It's on comedy or online groups, classes. So you can check it out. And today, yes. So today we're gonna be talking about English and books. Now you must be wondering why Rashmi is talking about English and books. Well, there is a reason. Actually, lots of my friends, have suggested me to make a video on English, and some have suggested me to make a video on reading. So I thought, why not to combine it and make a beautiful video, which is gonna be helping you out to do both the things. And how? Well, you must be wondering about books. कैसे help कर सकती है language को लेके. Lots of people already have answer as well. But you know what? Lots of people also are least interested to implement that. And I'm gonna be giving you a quick trick that can help you out to start doing it right away. How? Well, take a book, whichever you like. I mean, I personally I started with fictions because I used to love fictions a lot by that time. But now I am least interested. I don't even touch fiction, so it's altogether a different story. But I can say you one thing: just pick any book of your choice and start reading. Might happen that you find it boring and you cannot do it right away. So what you can do is just do a page. Yeah, just take a page and read. That's it, nothing else. And make sure that you are following this trick for 1 week, and then the next week you make sure that you are at least reading 5 pages a day. Yeah. Then followed by make sure that you are reading at least like 20 or 25 minutes, and it goes on. Yes. And now you must be wondering, Ki Rashmi, how that gonna be helping me out to get a command over English language, and at the same time, do you really think that I would be able to pick this habit of reading forever? Well, yes. Guys, at start it is very difficult to implement good habits. Bad habits can be implemented anytime. It just takes few seconds. I know. So for books, see, whenever you are reading, it is going to happen that at start you feel like, okay, I don't want to read this. It's boring and blah blah stuff. That's the reason I have already mentioned. Pick book of your choice. Okay. It will take time, so it's okay. You don't have to be really like, okay, I need to focus. Just do it for at least 5 minutes for one page. Do it for a week, and the procedure I have already told you how to make sure. And slowly, gradually, you will pick that habit. You know what? It is being said that it takes 21 days to inculcate a habit. So just try it out for 21 days, guys. Come on, what are you waiting for? And about language. So how that's gonna be helping you? It's very simple. Whenever you're gonna be reading, you will come across grammar. You will come across new words. So that will definitely gonna be helping you to talk. But it doesn't mean that if you are reading, so you would be able to be master in English language. For that, you need to make sure that you are talking. Yeah, it is important, guys. You are talking in English language, you are writing as well, you are watching some stuff, and at the same time you are listening to music as well. So depends on your choice. Whatever you feel like easy for you, just pick it up and start with. For me, reading is reading is everything, and reading has helped me a lot in lots of ways. So that's the reason I always tell my friends and that go and please read something. Do it for me at least. Yeah, there are so many close friends of mine who I have suggested to read just because I know how helpful it is. It is such a fruitful thing, and books are the best friend. That is been true. I have read like more than 90 or maybe 100 books. I personally have my own collection. I'm having 90 plus books, and there was a time that I took books from my friends, and I read and all that. So it's more than that. And I already have Play Store Kindle as well. I'm having 4 to 5 books pending again. You know what? In quarantine, I read more than 10 books, and now again I'm having some books in my Play Store and all that. So what happens is slowly it will gonna be happening to you as well. For me, it took like 10 years. Yeah, I started reading in 2009 or 10, I believe, and it's already 2020. So it took me a lot of time. For you also, this is going to take a lot of time, but you have to make sure that you are doing so. And while doing, you have to keep practicing, you have to keep talking, and you know what, it is being said, whatever you think, you're gonna be you're gonna be talking, and you're gonna be writing it also. So how that happens is, whenever I read, or whenever I am typing, it's all some thought process goes on, right? And that thought process is nothing but in a language, in particular language. It depends, like for me it's always English. So it's like, okay, if I'm thinking something, okay, this happened, that happened, blah blah blah, so that automatically comes to me while writing. Whereas when it comes to my Hindi and Marathi, it is a bit difficult for me, or sometimes even challenging to write in Marathi. But I make sure that I'm doing so. So you also have to do the same. You have to make sure that you're following that procedure. And once you have that thought process, it's very easier to write it down. But at the same time, you need to make sure that you're talking. Yes. You will be thinking, okay, if I am not having anyone to talk about, it doesn't matter, guys. You can just talk to yourself also. Get up, talk, go in front of mirror and just talk. Like me, I am also doing the same. Come on, I started the camera and I'm just talking. But I'm talking to you guys, assuming that you all are watching me full ears to me, and yes, I'm talking. Same thing you guys have to do, and try it just for 21 days or something more than that. I'm sure you will love it. For me, self-help, I think, is the must, because you know what, it helps you to inculcate good habits while reading and getting command over language as well. So try it out. Self-help books will gonna help you in many possible way. So starting with the book, I would suggest just go with Ikigai. It's really one of the best book I read till date. There are lots of books actually, but this is, I am suggesting just because you have to change small things from your daily routine, and that's gonna be helping you in many ways. So just try it out and get that habit. That's automatically going to be helping you over the language as well, and in your personal life as well. So yes, do get that book and try to do it from today itself. It's hardly going to be taking 5 minutes, guys. Give that time to yourself and have fun. Enjoy every moment. I'm sure next time I'll come up with something really amazing. Also, you can suggest me some beautiful topic that you want me to make video on, and don't forget to check my Instagram. Okay, I am uploading lots of fashion tips over there, so you can check it out. And for now, yes, sayonara, love, enjoy.